In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, this tribute for doctors and male nurse and female nurse. This is condolence like, and this is, respect like. They sacrifice lives for humanity around the world, globally. They sacrifice lives today. So I salute my Muslim sister here. Yesterday she passed away. She is a doctor. And I saw that video clip, everybody clapping. She passed away. So no doubt she went direct in the Jannah, heaven. She went direct. The path is clear. The route is clear. Destination, junction, destination, direct heaven, the last stage, station like. She very great job she did it. She sacrificed her life for the patients. Yesterday, I'm so, one I feel, she left wife, husband and kids and parents and relatives, and she work hard and she study very good for doctorate. She spent a lot of time for doctorate, and she spent money also, time also, and suddenly she passed away. This is the life. Why I want to be remind my Muslim brothers? This is the life. She have very good designation as a doctor. She have very good, heart. She take care, patients. The time is such a crisis like. That time she spend lot of time for, patients, and she don't care her life. That is the woman, the great woman in this world, I think. Whoever they are. But if they're Muslim, they're martyrs. If they're not Muslim, Allah declare in the Quran, they're going in the hell. Because they not accept Allah. They love this world, but they don't love hereafter life. They didn't find. That's why I am reminding. One more I want to be say, Bill Gates, 2015, he says, one, coming in the future, this kind of corona, and he remind, and he not take serious for medicine. That's why no one find still today any medicine. Sometimes people forecast is a true. I just give the example myself. 100 forecasts become my true. Now I want to be say, Donald Trump, he don't know Quran. And he don't know what he have to be say in the public. He says something, after that so many New Yorkers, they drink some medicine, they think. That is the danger. That's why Allah says in the Holy Quran, if you know medicine, medical field and medicine, then you can give the prescription for patient. If you don't know, don't say that. So Donald Trump, he don't know what he have to be say to public, and he bala bala bala. After that, 30 people, how come American, New Yorker, they're not educated? That's why I say, read Quran, be smart. Hereafter life you have, sudden your breath is finished, sudden, you never know. The day is coming, sudden, you pass away. Somebody says, no more. The word is come when you not listening my words. Quran, you not check that. You are such a worst time coming. O non-believer, O Muslim, be alert for your life. Your life is important, not mine. Because I am smart. I saw Jesus, Moses, and Muhammad, peace be upon all. And God give to me 3 days heaven. That's why I'm worried for other brothers, my Muslim brothers especially. Because Allah closed the heart, non-believer, Christian, Jew, Hindu. So we don't have to convey this message. But you are Muslim. Remember my words. Yesterday, one sister, she passed away here. And everybody clapped. She is going directly in the heaven. Other one I want to be say for my Narendra Modi, he is Hindu. And he don't know. The man, film industry people in India, Bollywood, Tollywood, Lollywood, whatever they woods over there, every industry, Tamil industry, Telugu industry, and Bollywood industry, they give to a lot of money, 100, 600,000 more than crores they give to him, the billions. But they not make sure this guy is honest or not. Everybody knows he is not honest. How come they give the money, these film industry people? That's why Allah says in the Holy Quran, make sure if any guy is a liar coming in your place and he wants to be say something, so make sure he's right or not. So same thing, industry people, they give to him money. So yesterday, one Congress, leader, he said, why he take his own name, all money? He opened his account. He said this is not legal, but he opened Prime Minister account and they put in money. So Allah give it to you only smartness in the Quran to check other people also. And Allah restrictions give it to you before whatever you say, make sure you right or not. That's why Donald Trump is a wrong. That's why Modi is a liar and they give to money and he not expend one penny for humanity in these days, lockdown after. He didn't expend one penny. This is the life. Brother, short life you have. Be smart for hereafter life. Life he not give to you again. But you living in the dark today. This is the resurrection time. Doomsday time. Beware. The judgment day is coming. Allah asks, I give to you sense. Use that. I give to you smartness. Use that wisdom. He give to you. Smartness. Beware. This world is a, big liars like living in your around. Big liars like. This life is a climax life. You can't trust anybody. But some people, they want to be hereafter like they practice. Allahu Akbar.